Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping tools so filming from above is instantly repeatable. Mount your iPhone in a secure clamp or overhead arm, and make sure auto lock is off so the recording won't stop. Once mounted, open the camera app, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and lock exposure and autofocus. This prevents the image from shifting while you move props. Keep the rig steady and test a short clip. You want to confirm framing and stability before moving to actual takes. You now refine composition and lighting so the overhead shot reads clearly. Move the phone up or down, roughly 12 to 36 inches, for either tight detail or a wider scene, and align using the grid to keep horizons level. Once done, place two soft lights at 45-degree angles and a reflector to eliminate harsh shadows. Consistent lighting keeps the camera's exposure stable. Make a short practice take while narrating or using a voice memo for timing. You finish by capturing and verifying your final footage with deliberate steps. Record in short segments and trigger the camera with a remote or timer so you never touch the rig mid-take. This avoids blur. After each clip, review for focus drift, flicker, or framing mistakes and make incremental corrections. If you see wobble, make sure to tighten the clamp, add a small counterweight, or enable digital stabilization. These fixes will salvage many shots. Finally, export the best takes and back them up immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.